Ls2 power, ceramic coated headers, got drilled and slotted 4-wheel disc brakes, ice cold air, tubular A-arms, 12-volt POSI, 342 gears. There's a compressor kicking on. There we go, high beams, low beams, maybe blinkers. Other side, wipers, horn. That it's got the torque thrust D wheels, slotted and drilled, 4-wheel disc brakes. And this is a healthy car. Both brake lights and tail lights and side blinkers are working. Extremely nice interior on the car. Adjustable headrest, floor shift, digital dash, seat belts all around. Give a little bit. Once you straighten it out, show them what it can do. Too much traffic around here to let it open. Lot of car for the money.